My name is Ryan Ploughe. We're here at WJ Titan, and this is In the Lab. So today we're going to discuss two topics. The first one being styluses and the materials that they're made out of and their purposes. Now generally, most of the market uses ruby as a stylus. There's nothing wrong with ruby. It's the second hardest material in the world. It's very reproducible. It's easy to use, but there are limitations of ruby and what it can and can't do. Now, ruby should not be used on aluminum products because ruby will actually pick up aluminum dust and aluminum material that's on your product, and it'll stick to it. It'll eventually cause pitting, and you'll deform your sphere over time. It's not good for it. Now, I don't have one to show you, but they came up with a different stylus material called silicon nitride, and it has a very low surface tension. That material was originally designed to be used with aluminum product and product that had a lot of dust and loose material on it, so that the stylus wouldn't stick to it, or that material wouldn't stick to the stylus. Now, there are other stylus materials. You can get a carbide one. I think they have some diamond coated ones now. Those are not really common, but they are used. I would look up what the material function is and what it was designed for before I started diving into those kinds of styluses. Now, the second thing we're going to discuss are extensions and stem materials. Now, common stem and extension materials are carbide. It's very robust, it doesn't give, it's very hard to bend, but unfortunately it does weigh a lot. So once you start talking about longer styluses, you can't really use a 6x100 stylus that's made out of carbide. It'll be very heavy and most modules won't support it. Now, what they came up with to counter that problem is they started switching to a material that's carbon fiber. So carbon fiber's obviously carbon fiber, it's black in nature, it's very lightweight, it's very rigid. You get a lot of bad impacts, the material will actually splinter and you may not see it, but you will see it in results because they won't be as repeatable as they were before. Now, another material that's common to stems and extensions is ceramic. It's white in nature. It's essentially just ceramic glass. The unfortunate side to ceramic is that it's very fragile. These will bust, they will shatter, but they are very light. You can get them on styluses to have a thinner stem compared to carbon fiber. It's a very repeatable material, but unfortunately the downside to ceramic is that it's very, very susceptible to shattering. Again, my name is Ryan Ploughe. We're here at WJ Titan, and this is In the Lab. If you guys want to talk about stem materials and their functions and applications and what we ran into as best practice, please don't be afraid to drop a comment below or get a hold of us and we'll start a conversation.